in the store.
Okay, folks, Dooley, I'm here with the family. And we are celebrating Christmas morning with the family. Each and every one of the family is
members.
Here. So our Smile family. And when we get together, you know that means we're having plenty of fun. Right? Or
Together.
yeah.
Together.
I'm sorry. So in this morning's fun stuff, we have to guess the Christmas song according to a clue that I'm going to give into patois. Now, the group have been split in teams. Samaroni and Caliocious over there.
Hey. Ow.
And that with the size 5 ball.
Oh, okay.
and Deborah Dooley over there.
Deborah.
All right, so here's the problem now. So I am going to give them, you're wrong. I am going to give them a clue in patois, and they must tell me which Christmas carol it is.
Patois?
Okay.
Yeah, by the way.
Easy.
What may I say to you?
Easy.
All right, spin the coin. Heads, you go first.
Thanks.
So,
Smooth.
That was so buzzing apart.
Okay.
yes.
Okay, it's
to buzz,
buzzing.
so why didn't we
Exactly.
go
So there's no
first
first. No, he just want to give you an advantage.
Of course, he's part of my family.
Anyways.
All right, so it's no buzzing. So you're not the thing if you know the thing. Then you answer the thing if you know after you're not the thing and you know the thing. And what kind of bell this? It no goal. You first.
Silver bell.
The one love. Come again.
One
Love over there. No, me soon forward for Christmas.
I'm home for Christmas.
2 love. Mommy and Santa Agi Daddy Bun.
I saw
Mommy kissing Santa Claus.
2-1. You hear what me just hear?
Do you hear what I hear?
Me never too certain.
Me party.
Me never
It
too
was me. It was me.
No, I
She
never too
answer
certain.
first.
Was I?
She answer first. So that's
3-1.
Okay, fine. Jesus.
You never know. Yeah, man, go on now.
Garth, do not let us down. Do not.
You better pass.
Garth, you better know this. You better know this.
Wait no. As they say, would you like to try?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Mary, did you know?
Mary, did you know 4-1?
See, me got this.
Ready again? No. Give it on December 25.
Live love on Christmas Day.
That 5-1.
Yeah, but Simone see these before.
Hold on. 5-1. Blow, whoa. December already.
He visits Christmas.
6-1. We have how much of them for this season?
No, wait. How
Amelia.
much of them for the season?
Him.
This one is the easiest one. What's
Wait.
going on?
Oh, thing there. The thing there of Christmas.
Yeah.
The 12 days of Christmas.
Yes, okay. There we go. Got it. Thank you.
I saw that
High five.
translation.
High five.
6-2. Stay there.
Thank you.
Come at town.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
7-2. How will the 3 of you go?
3 wise men. 3 kings of Oriental. We 3 kings of Oriental.
We did it. No, we did it. We did. Thank you.
Because you didn't get it wrong. What you did say?
But
What you did say?
I didn't correct myself,
You
sir.
said 3 wise men, but it's a 3
3 kings. Thank you.
That is 6-3.
All right, we're coming. Don't worry.
Wait. How if I pick me this?
What child is this?
7-3.
Yeah, I've never heard that.
Why? The night quiet, you see?
Silent night. How much that? 9. And 9 no worries.
15, my girl. They have 15.
No, but that is the idea because I couldn't think about
Sure.
it. I don't want enough for Christmas.
I don't want. All Christmas is you. I don't want. All I want for Christmas is you. No, it's we did first. Thank you very much. All right, good.
But by the way,
Okay,
when I
Santa,
put
I'm
in
happy.
things that is in there, this thing named All I Want for
All
Christmas,
I
you know,
want
say is
for-
you.
So they're wrong
No.
because hello.
We said the right thing,
we
but
said
it's added
all I want
something
for
extra.
Christmas. I just sang the song.
Excuse me. The title of the song is All I Want for Christmas.
All I want
It's
for
not.
Christmas.
It's not. I don't want to want for Christmas. You already started.
No,
No, she
I
was
said
singing it. She was
all I
singing it.
Yeah,
want
but
for Christmas.
no.
All right,
Where the judges?
let me jump in.
Where the
Hold
judges?
on, no, me are the judge.
Who's the judge?
Me is the judge.
Give me the judge and the
Game
Christmas.
Hold
master
on,
is
me-
right here.
Me game master judge.
Anyway,
judge
we're
you.
going about
everything.
10 now.
Yeah, we're going about 8-4.
No, 9.
All right, me a dream about white and it's not a wedding or dopey.
Hey.
Over
And
here,
people
so
have a
over
white
here, so.
Christmas.
Thank you very much, Freddie.
But you never
Again,
was.
yeah, they did.
We
And
did,
again,
we paused.
putting things that they just name White Christmas in the name of
That's why I'm saying they're getting the title
Doesn't
wrong.
matter.
It doesn't matter.
We
don't watch quiz.
It darn
No.
matter.
No, you didn't get disqualified.
No.
Oh, no, you see when it done, we're going to have a
We
long
don't watch
break.
quiz.
We're going to have a
No,
long
People
break.
on quiz would
you
say the
tell them
wrong
right
answer.
answer.
This is not how
Folks,
you
do
have
it.
the
When it's
song.
done, we're going to have a long break because we're going to go in on the next one to check
You're
out
nice.
all kind of
You're
thing.
nice, Lord.
All right, wait, no.
That's what do you do? You realizing they're pressing?
Hold
Okay.
on, no.
Just cell phone.
Wait, no, we have two more. What is the world happy so till see you come?
Go on,
Joy
go
to the
on.
world.
Hey, that's right.
And the final one say, yo, this time of the year are the best.
It's the most
most wonderful time of the year.
time of the year.
And ladies and gentlemen, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
Wow. No, no, no.